just got real.
Ooh!
A racer mod.
Oh, that's good.
Whoa.
Day 3. Intercooler is in. I'm really nervous. I just want to point this out. I'm in the left lane, okay? Now, normally you think, like, yeah, that's the fast lane. No. Could not be any more wrong. I'm going solid 65, boys, in the left passing lane. Just let that marinate for a little bit. Today's gonna be a fun day. I'm going down to Broken Daly's house. We're gonna be doing some stuff on a Speed 3. I don't know if I can tell you, so I won't, but you're gonna see. It's gonna be awesome. I have absolutely no idea what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm gonna be learning. You're gonna watch me learn, probably get confused, probably get irritated, because, you know, that's how working on cars goes. We got about an hour drive ahead of us, so I'm gonna sit back and enjoy the drive. And I just want to point out one thing. If you ever plan on coming to Utah, and I know, Mormons, I know, I get it, I live here. Do it during the winter, because the mountains are absolutely beautiful. Snowboarding here is awesome. You can't get it any better. And my dog just messed up my mirror. She's a good girl. We've made it to Alex's place, as well as Grandma's place. This is our work site. Yeah. Do you want to tell them a little bit about your car?
Yeah, it's a 2010 MAZDASPEED3. I bought it with a salvage title. Toidle. The issue was that I was told it just needed a tune because it was overboosting really hard. Turns out, had a cylinder 3 misfire and a blown turbo. Well, a lot of dollars later, I had the motor built, fully forged by Evolutionary Performance, Artem. Really great shop. So what we're doing now, I'm getting ready for Mazda takeover. Tyler's helping me install my front mount intercooler and turbo, corkscrew turbo. Really hyped. We don't know what we're doing, but yeah, it's great. There's other goodies, but that's too much to get into. Just fuel system, solid motor mount, 6-puck clutch, so much stuff. It's a lot of stuff.
I'm really nervous. Like, I'm trying to hide it, but like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. The most intense thing I've done in a car is coilovers, and yeah, that's nowhere near an engine, so it's gonna be alright. This is gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. Way good.
Good learning.
Oh, also, I'm gonna shamelessly plug myself. I also have a YouTube channel, Broken Daily, over on YouTube, so yeah.
No, I told him about it. I told him. Yeah. We got it. All right. Well, let's see how this goes. What have you done? You tie yourself up. All right. So we just got the intake out, got the battery box out. So next we're gonna be working on the intercooler. That one. And yeah.
You know what I'm curious about?
What are you curious about?
The turbo's still probably hot, but my turbo has a leak, right? And I wonder if there's any shaft play. If I can reach it. Oh yeah. It's not bad shaft play, but I've definitely got enough shaft play it's a problem shaft play.
Yeah. Believe me, we know something about shaft play.
Shaft!
So yeah, when we make more progress, I'll let you know. Now that we're done talking about porn pictures, we got the intercooler out. So now we're just gonna start working on the O2 sensor, eventually work on the downpipe, and yeah.
Yeah.
And we get to get under the car, which is the part I'm not excited for. Jack that doesn't go up super high. Oh, that's good. Whoa, are you okay?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. So we're making progress. We just got the car lifted up on jacks. Got those top 3 bolts on the downpipe taken out, the O2 sensor out. After that, we just need to get the downpipe from under the car, and we can start working on the turbo.
Then after the turbo, we'll do the intercooler.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
It's very morning. We're tired. It's day 2. Last night on the downpipe, we cracked all the bolts except one on the bottom. I have a CPE downpipe, CAD downpipe high flow. And there's this one bolt that it's not notched to where you can get to it with a socket or anything. It has like a slight notch to where you can get a wrench on it.
Now what's really stupid is we went to O'Reilly, go buy some ratcheting wrenches. Yes, they are amazing. But the ratchet part around that, it's too thick to fit on the bolt. So that sucks.
Yeah, so we can't even use it. So we need a really long wrench. to get movement to break it free because it's just in such a tight spot. So what we're doing today is gonna go get one and get it off, and then hopefully finish everything, get the intercooler all done and be ready to rip and roll, get my tune all finished up.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. So yep, we're
gonna be a big day, brother.
Big day, brother. So let's get on the road and do this thing.
For anyone that has an ST, I'm sure you're very familiar with this, but whenever you start your car, it goes like then it calms down. It's totally fine, but it's just what it is. Alright, so after hours of messing with the stupid bolts on the downpipe, we've finally gotten it free. I know it's a little hard to see, but you can clearly see it. That's where it used to be. Now it's right there. Yeah, so now all we gotta do is drain all the fluids, then take the turbo out, put the new turbo in, then we'll also start working on the front mount intercooler.
Oh man. Oh man.
It's good.
This just got real.
Things are happening.
Things are happening, guys. This is great. Oh, it's looking so good. We're building a race car. Mazda takeover is gonna be so dope. I can't wait to see what this thing can do.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Next is a few other things. So let's get at it.
I'm so tired.
I know.
Alright, so it's been a little bit since I've updated you guys. We've done quite a bit. Pretty sure I left you guys off last with the downpipe being off. It's kind of hard to see, as always. I've said that a few times. So we got the downpipe back on, got it mainly torqued up, and let me show you this new turbo that we just put in.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh baby.
Yeah.
Look at the crisp, unfocused goodness. Ooh!
Got all the fittings on.
Got most of the fittings on. We still have just one line under it to do.
The oil feed line?
Yeah.
We gotta do the boost control solenoid. We're gonna do a 3-port. Then we gotta do the 3.5 bar map sensor. And then finish the front mount intercooler.
This is day 2, in case you guys were wondering. It's about to be day 3.
Oh, and I busted my knuckle.
Yeah.
Super swollen.
See if you can show how swollen it is.
I can't even move my finger.
Alright, well.
So.
It's swollen. It's like a balloon. So we got this going off from the throttle body. It's going all the way. Pops out right here. The intercooler, which is going to be right there. Yeah, we also got this new crash bar on where the intercooler attaches to. You can actually see the block. Nice powder coated blue. It's day 3. So what we got to do is get the front mount installed. Got to finish all the piping on the turbo. Got to finish torquing down the bottom bolts on the downpipe. We have a boost controller. It's gonna go about right in this area.
Sensor?
Oh, the 3.5 bar map sensor.
For ultimate tuning capabilities.
For ultimate tuning capabilities, brother.
And we're gonna also run the boost controller. It's a 3-port. We're gonna run it in interrupt setup, so that way we can make boost like, you know, yeah.
Just like that. All right. Intercooler is in. Working on getting the coolant levels ready. Nothing really out of the ordinary has been happening, but there's one massive thing that we forgot.
Yeah, so there was a really crucial part to the build that we overlooked, got kind of carried away, got a little bit too busy, unfortunately. So it's getting late, so we can try and hurry and install this right quick. A racer mod.
Ooh.
Yeah, baby.
But we got it.
Ooh,
Thought you guys should know.
Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Look at, oh, god damn it. Yeah. Oh, this thing looks so much nicer now. Oh, god. Well.
It was a fun project. Obviously, you know, like I was saying, I learned a lot. I feel a little more confident now about doing this on my car or someone else's car. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, it really means a lot to me. Make sure to hit that bell. Well, you should probably hit subscribe first, then hit that bell notification so you know every time that I upload a new video. I got a bunch of videos coming up. I have like 8 guitar videos to make, then you can probably guess that I'm going to be making some more stuff with Broken Daily. So stay tuned for that. Stay safe out there. This coronavirus is really starting to kick itself into high gears with everyone starting to go into lockdown and whatnot. So just stay safe, and I'll catch you guys next time.